Leaders of Uganda Law Society were elected last week have taken their oath of office to kickstart their 2-year tenure. Those who took oath of office include Kimeze Ssemakadde, the President, Uganda Law Society, Vice President Anthony Asimwe, and regional representatives among others.
I serve to the Council of Uganda Law Society
in the discharge of my official duties, or shall come to my knowledge in the discharge of my official duties.
Of my official duties, so as may be specially permitted by the President, Uganda Law Society.
The swearing-in ceremony held in Kampala was officiated by the Deputy Registrar, Faisal Mulalira, who cautioned the incoming leaders towards keeping the image of Uganda Law Society. In his speech, President, Uganda Law Society, Ssemakadde Kimeze, pledged to champion justice for all Ugandans, particularly in addressing the land disputes and ensuring adherence to the rule of law.
So as to leave the practice of law free and clear to deliver justice to Ugandans who are suffering. They are suffering land grabbing, bad employment conditions, racial discrimination, sexual harassment, unjust taxation, deprivation of health care and education opportunities, and so on. We have not been mobilized to defend our independence as the bar. That has now happened, and we have passed the test. I'm so proud to be a member of this bar.
President Ssemakadde, who had no kind words towards the involvement of the Attorney General and the Solicitor General in the Uganda Law Society issues, promised to promote the image of the society.
This is why I personally stood in to make it very clear that the radical new bar will fight for the independence of the legal profession. It will decolonize the Uganda Law Society. We have to follow our constitution. This election has become further evidence that a majority of our members understand these fine differences. They were put on the ballot. They have spoken. Will you listen? Of the independent legal profession? Will you listen and join us in fulfilling the demands and dictates of Article 2 and Article 274 of the Constitution?
Speaking at the same ceremony, the Representative Law Council, lawyer Sekanjako Abeka, is optimistic that the new leadership will be a regime of action towards issues concerning Ugandans and the rule of law.
So the moment you take us out of court, you more or less disempowering us. I'm not saying that it was meaningless for the society to be issuing statements on each and every happening around the country, but we needed more. We needed more. We needed to see a society that takes action. Let it be a petition or anything to challenge.
Ssemakadde Kimeze to swear in as the President, Uganda Law Society. This followed an election last week where he won his opponent Isaac Atkunda with an overwhelming margin of 100 votes. Deborah Namamonde, Viola Nansubuga, UBC News.